Guys, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of Imperial Petroleum Inc. with the ticker symbol IMPP. So this stock closed the week much lower than it began. When last week started, it was trading at about $1.40, and when the week closed, it was trading right at $1.13. So that is quite a drop from where it began the week. Friday, the stock actually dropped about 3.60%, closed the regular trading hours at $1.07, and after hours, it actually picked up about 5.61% and closed the week at $1.13. Now, if we look at the 52-week range, you would see that the stock has been anywhere from 40 cents all the way up to $9.70. The volume for Friday was 11 million shares that exchanged hands, compared to an average volume of 44 million shares. Now, this company, which is based out of Athens in Greece, was incorporated in 2021, and they have about 4 medium range vessels and 1 long range vessel. And these vessels transport refined petroleum products, that would be gasoline, diesel fuel, and they also transport crude oil and edible vegetable oil. So those are the different categories of products that this company would transport. With the ongoing situation in between Russia and Ukraine, that has moved all the way out to the eastern part of Ukraine, around the Donbas region. Global energy supplies are still very, very unstable, and the Biden administration this week announced a further range of sanctions, which would include any ship that's flying under the Russian flag is not allowed to dock in any US port. So the news has really tightened around Russia, and the embargo is actually putting a strain on not only the Russian economy, but the partners who used to rely on Russia to supplement their energy supplies. So Imperial Petroleum really has a lot on its plate, as demand for crude oil remains constant or even increases as the COVID mandate being removed and people are going on vacations. And with that comes the increased need for petroleum products. So the traditional suppliers, the traditional supply routes had to be changed within a very short space of time. And that's where you have companies like Imperial Petroleum that come in to fill the gap. So it's quite interesting to see that even though business seems to be booming, Imperial Petroleum is having difficulties maintaining the stock at a reasonable level. It is true that on Friday the market conditions were not the best. You have the S&P 500, which was down 2.77%, the Dow 30, which was down 2.82%. Nasdaq was down 2.55 percentage points. The Russell 2000 was down 2.55 percentage points, and even the price of crude oil came down on Friday 1.97%, and crude oil ended up trading at $101.75. So that's where we sit today, and like I said, the news has just tightened even more on Russia and the Russian Federation. Germany, which used to be one of the major importers of energy from Russia through natural gas, is looking for alternatives, especially in Northern Africa and Saudi Arabia, the Middle East. So as these countries divest themselves of their dependence on Russian energy, you will see, the global supplies of energy, move around, and companies like IMPP are uniquely placed to take advantage of those dynamics. So this is quite an interesting stock to keep close tabs on. The energy crisis won't be resolved tomorrow or the day after. Ukrainians are getting even more weapons to defend themselves. So it is clear that there's a long-term effect that we will still feel in many, many months and years to come. So that is what the picture looks like as of right now. And I just want to invite you guys, in case you want to keep tabs and you enjoyed this video, to hit the thumbs up button below and also subscribe to the channel. I much appreciate when you guys do that, because it helps the channel grow, and I would like you guys to be part of the channel as it grows, so we all rise together as the tides go up. Thanks for joining me on this Saturday. And if you're an investor in this company, I think it has brighter days. Not tomorrow, not maybe next week, but in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we should be able to see some reversal and this particular stock going up. Thanks for joining me once more. Bye.